Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do my January makeup basket. Now if you haven't seen this from me before, basically I have a makeup bag that I focus on and have certain products in there for a full face, for quick, easy looks, as well as things that I am project panning, pan that palette, different things like that. So these are the items, like I said, that I am working on during the month of January for this video. I am really excited to share with you guys what is in here. Some of these items are in a project pan and a pan that palette that I have started for this year, 2021. So I'll link those up in the cards above for y'all interested. But let's get into what's in this bag. So we're going to start off with kind of how I apply my makeup. First thing that I always do is a eyeshadow primer. The one I am currently using here is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. And I got this off of recommendation from an Ulta worker, and I'm not a big fan of it. I am going to keep using it. However, it just isn't as creamy as I would like, a little bit more liquidy. There's some like liquid that comes out with it. I have shaken this up a bunch, but it just isn't my favorite. I really do like the Milani eyeshadow primer or the Urban Decay ones. This one just isn't doing it, but I will keep chugging along. It's not something that I hate using, so I'm just gonna get my money's worth out of that. For eyeshadow this year, I am panning my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Instant Eye Palette in Pillow Talk, so I talked to you guys about that in that video in the cards, in my introduction, why I chose it, what this palette is looking like, but this is making a nice home in my makeup bag for the year of 2021. Another thing that's kind of in this big pocket right there is my Hourglass Ambient Lighting Volume 3 palette. This is a holiday collection. I am panning the Surreal Light blush, this purple one here in that project pan I mentioned. So I do have this guy in here hanging out for the month of January. So I'm going to go into this next little section right here, and that's where like the rest of my eye products are. I have an eyebrow pencil here. This is the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. I really like using this. I got this in a FabFitFun box and started using it once my Essence Make Me Brow got finished, and I'm really enjoying using it. Have a whole lot of product left on this guy, but this is just a brow pencil that's kind of a triangle shape, and you just kind of draw on your eyebrows. I don't do anything super heavy. And then what I like most about this is it has the little spoolie brush to kind of brush out your hairs at the end. So I do really like this. But the other brow product I really love using is my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Color I have is Brownie Brows. Comes in a whole bunch of other colors as well. It is like a little small mascara brush. It has a brown gel in there, so that way I just kind of quickly go through my brows. I've already have this in my brows today. Really like it. Helps shape your brows and give it a nice color all over, but nothing like super dark. If you need a darker one, I think there's a darker shade, but I really like this thing. Then I have a liquid liner here. This is my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. Just my favorite liquid liner to use. It is currently on my eyes now. I have compared this with many other liquid liners here on this channel and my Lizzie Loves channel, so I always have that in my makeup bag. I have a cream shadow here. This is from Shadow Sense. This is their Champagne Shimmer shade, and this is so gorgeous. Just a liquid eyeshadow, and I just kind of apply that all over the lid, put some bronzer in the crease, and I'm good to go. Really fast and easy, and I do really like these products. Mascara I've been using is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes, and this is in Super Black. I will be completely honest with you guys, the first week of using this, I didn't like it, but lately I am obsessed. Love the way it looks on my eyes. It is on my eyes now. A very unique kind of brush. So it's like a diamond shaped brush with bristles on two sides, and it is flat sided, so it's really easy to get up under your lashes and push the product up and push your eyelashes up, and I really like the effect it has on my lashes. So Still currently working on that. Also have my LizzieLovesLife by Alcone. This is the perfect eyeliner pen. I have done a video reviewing this too. I can link it in the cards. My Essence Nude eyeliner. This is the Easy Glide waterproof liner. I love to have this on the days I want to brighten up underneath my eyes, kind of make it pop. I just put it in my waterline right there and I'm good to go. I have been using this a lot too, just due to the holidays, so I figured I can use it a little bit more this month. This is the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. I don't really peel off this eyeliner, but it is a small little eyeliner brush that I just paint on top of my black liquid liner just to give me that kind of sparkly, glittery look without having a full-blown glitter eyeshadow on. So I really love these things. The color I have is Lucky Bee. So then getting into face products, I have been using my foundations a little bit more, and with my primer, I love my First Aid Beauty. This is the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and this is just so moisturizing. Love the way it looks underneath my foundations, and I do have a backup of it, about more than halfway done with this. Really like it. I've also been using my Bare Minerals Original Liquid Foundation. If you haven't seen that first impression, I will link it up in the cards, but that is also in here, as well as the Urban Decay and Naked Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 3.5. Just trying to get rid of this. This is my oldest foundation in my collection right now. Really love it, but it definitely is time to go. I also have this little beauty blender from LizzieLovesLife. I got this as one of my girlfriends was having like a beauty box deal, and I will say this definitely soaks up my foundation more than beauty blenders do. I feel like this just like ate my foundation. I was testing it with the Bare Minerals Original Foundation, and yeah, I needed 3 or 4 pumps with that. In that video with my hands, you'll see I barely even needed 1. I do like the way it looks on my face though, applying it with this, but it definitely ate a lot of the foundation that I feel like could have been applied to my face. Also have my Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream. This is in the shade Light. It is SPF 35. You guys know this is my tried and true, really easy to throw on my face to get out the door and go. Love that it has an SPF included in there, so I constantly repurchase these. I think I purchased 2 or 3 of the, or used up 2 or 3 of these last year in the empties. You can check that empties totals up above. Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Neutral, just my all-time favorite concealer. I do have a couple other concealers that I will be testing against this in upcoming videos this year, but so good. Love this stuff. And I have 2 powders in here. I have my Everyday Essence All About Matte Fixing Compact Powder. It looks stark white, but it is translucent, and you guys can see a major pan on this. I used up so many of these past couple of years. Highly recommend it. Really affordable powder. Then I have my Hourglass Dim Light powder, and this is so good as well. I love the way it looks on my face. Just helps brighten up the skin without being like a highlighter all over. So I have been using this for date night, girls night, anything I want to look a little bit more dressed up for. Another blush I have in here that I've been using quite a lot is my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Cheek Too Chic Pillow Talk. And this came in that Charlotte Tilbury holiday collection box that I unboxed. But love this for a quick, easy, beautiful look all over the cheeks. But this month probably will be focusing on this one more, but when I want days off, I will probably reach for this one. And then I have 1 lip product in here. I have a lip pencil and a lipstick. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Sheet in Pillow Talk, and this is just a regular kind of lip pencil. I do need to sharpen this baby up, but really gorgeous. I really like this on its own or underneath lip products. And the lip product that I'm wearing now, which is in this makeup basket, is my Pillow Talk Intense. This was actually picked out for my stocking this year, so highly recommend it. It's funny because when I first pulled it out of the stocking, I was like, this is a little too brown of a lipstick for me, but it has been growing on me. I've really liked how creamy this is and kind of the glossy look it is to the lips, so have been using this quite a lot, so I'm going to keep it in my makeup basket. And then the last thing I have in here is my fragrance for this month, and this should be done pretty soon. This is the Atelier Cologne Vanilla Incense, and really liking this stuff as well. So that is everything that is in my makeup bag for January. What are the products you guys are working on this month? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with my project pans, how these products go throughout the month, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.